This is the kind of vehicles you'll see in Virginia City. Seeing this kind of landscapes every time makes me so amazed about how beautiful America is. When you see those mountains, you just immediately start feeling great. Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. Since it's a travel and tech channel, today we're gonna be discussing the build of my van. Well, it's not exactly the build, it's just say modification of the van to be suitable for the van life and travel. So right now I'm in Nevada, camping in one of the state parks, and it's really beautiful out here. You can see the forest around here. There's a Washoe Lake around there, so it's really beautiful. Yeah, Washoe Lake is one of my favorites. I love the Washoe Lake. So here's just a quick tour of my van. But before showing the tour of my van, I just wanted to show you around the Virginia City, which is very nice town in Nevada. So this is the main street in Virginia City, and I mean, it's very nice here, lots of shops. It's a bit empty now because of the pandemic and all that stuff, but I mean, still great. Some of the bars are still open, so I guess that's the main thing. This is the view from Virginia City Cemetery. It's really beautiful out here, really peaceful and nice. So once we approach the van, the main thing here is this one. This is the bucket used for, guess what? Yes, for pooping. Yes, sorry if I'm mentioning that, but I mean, this one is really helpful in very different situations. Sometimes there is no restroom, sometimes it helps a lot. So yeah, definitely much more comfortable than going out in the wind and the cold climate. So it's, yeah, really nice. So this is just the back seat I left here. I decided just to leave one seat here because sometimes you just want to chill, relax here and sit. So most of the people just throw out this back seat, and if it's a passenger van, of course. In case if it's not a passenger van, they just build the way they want, but here I just decided to leave it as it is. It doesn't matter in my opinion. Down here is the Yeti power. So basically it's a huge power bank. Well, it's wrong to say that power bank is just a huge accumulator you can use to charge your devices, and there's also input for solar panels here. I actually have a review about this device, and this cost me the most of my build. I think it was more than $200 for that. I don't actually remember how much it was, but it can show you display how much input, how much the output right there, so you can just connect your devices and charge those. So here just okay, so water. Here is just a small compartment just to store stuff here. It's usually just some stuff brushing my teeth, just some stuff, I don't know, bunch of junk obviously. This is the largest compartment, I guess. I bought this one in Walmart for a few bucks, and it's really easy to store stuff here and really nice. It would probably much better to have some big compartment here to store things, but I mean, it's fine with me for now. And here is the main thing, is the bed. And guys, the bed is the most important thing here. I have a sleeping bag out here, just a blanket, and that basically works out fine with me because I mean, it's really great to camp on a nice bed. It should be comfortable. The bed is the main thing, so be sure that to have good bed, comfortable bed. Because if you don't like the bed, then you're not gonna like the whole camping experience, whole van life experience, if you say. So here it is. Yeah, and that's basically it. There's nothing there, just open doors, and you can see the forest right from here. You can sleep and see the forest. Open those if you want. Those doors are sliding doors, so you can just close like this easily. And well, since it's a passenger van, it has all the things like ventilation system and stuff like that. Of course, I don't have a heating system out here. I decided just to leave it as it is. But if it's super cold, well, you can just turn on the engine and have heating, which is not possible in cargo vans, only in passenger vans, so it's good. And also have lights out here, so you can use those lights in some cases, right? But I think that the main thing that you want to do here is just plug some LED lights to USB ports and have some good lighting from this battery. But remember, you need to have some additional power source. I think in this case it's gonna be solar batteries, or just some additional battery that you're gonna charge. I just charged this manually without the solar power, but I think solar power makes a lot of sense. And just a bunch of stuff around here, just I also have inflatable boat somewhere there. Yeah, there's a like inflatable boat. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, that's about it basically. There's not much to it, and the view is exciting out here. I love it. Yeah, love the view. All right, so guys, this is it. This was a tour, quick tour of my van, and I hope you like it. I hope it's inspired you in some way, or maybe not inspired, because this way you can basically travel cheap and do some work online if you wish, because all you need is like internet connection, and you have this Yeti battery, for example, to have the ability to charge your devices easily. And I mean, it works fine. I mean, it worked fine for me. I'm not living full-time in this van, part-time, but I've been living here for like more than 2 months easily out of it, and it's not a big deal. It's like, it's fine. Of course, it's a small space, so you need to manage this space. What I also wanted to say is that don't fall for those fancy, beautiful vans that you see online. Yes, those are beautiful, those are great, and totally great investment if you are thinking about having a full-time living in a van for like many years to come, and you're totally like sure that your vehicle is gonna be keeping up with all that just fine. But how can you know this if you're just starting out? How can you know this when you're just like starting with this whole van life? You don't need to actually spend a lot of money. You can just spend a few thousand on like this van and just like put the bed down there, and just that's it. It's gonna work just fine. Or even the compact car, maybe in some cases. It all depends on your level of comfort, right? So it's totally, I mean, debatable. This whole build cost me like $200 or something, maybe a bit more. Yeah, of course, this battery was like 300 or 200, I forgot how much it was. But this battery like was the most expensive item. The bed itself, it costs like not that much. So you can totally make a cheap build and it's gonna work just fine for you. This campground is awesome. I love it. Yeah, here's my van right here. Lovely van, right? Thank you for watching, and see you later.